guys think about this?
Wow.
Wow.
They are terrifying.
Come with us as we explore Colorado's original state capital.
Good morning from Lake City, Colorado. Absolutely gorgeous morning, overcast, rainy, super beautiful. We just got up, started walking around. It's absolutely amazing. But before we start showing you about Lake City, we got to talk about our drive up here yesterday. So the drive up here yesterday it was basically 5 hours of just almost constant rain, and then we hit this massive hailstorm in Woodland Park. It was crazy. The first time ever I had to pull over on the side of the road.
Yeah, it was really fun.
If you want to call it fun. So, but anyways, we're out here exploring. We'll show you more of our awesome campground and where we're gonna eat. And we had to change our plans a little bit because of the weather.
We were supposed to be paddleboarding today.
Yeah, we're supposed to be paddleboarding, but if you can look around,
It's a nice, chilly 36, 40 degrees, somewhere around there.
no paddleboarding today. So Lake City was the original state capital of Colorado, during the mining bust and everything, when everybody's looking for gold and silver. One really cool thing too is this could be a base camp for hiking 14ers. So there's 5 14ers that are really close to Lake City, four-wheeling, UTVs, they have UTVs that drive up and down the main roads all the time. And there's only one paved road in the whole town. Everything's walkable. Really awesome.
One of the best parts.
A lot of public land. You got Lake San Cristobal that's down here, and a lot of stuff to do.
So we planned this trip months in advance, and our plan was to do paddleboarding one day at Lake San Cristobal, and then the second day go up to Handy's Peak and summit that with our kids. However, the weather did not match up with our plans at all.
We were planning to paddleboard this lake behind us, Lake San Cristobal, but you can hear in the video, it's super windy
And cold.
and cold.
But it's so beautiful.
Yes. So we're gonna go find something else to do.
So we ended up having to switch everything around and do completely different activities.
Yeah, so we woke up Saturday morning, raining in Lake City, but if you got up a little higher in elevation, it was snowing. The peak got a ton of snow, and we just didn't want to risk it with the kids, which is not a problem. We'd rather live to hike another day and also have them
Enjoy it.
Like, I'd much rather have them focused on their legs hurting and them being out of breath than worried about if they're going to freeze or slide down the mountain.
Yeah.
Even though we were prepared, we decided to call it.
Yeah, this would have been their first one, and so we really wanted to make it a fun, positive experience and not add the snow and danger to this one.
On Saturday, we woke up, went on a walk in the rain, waited for the rain to kind of settle, and then we walked over to the Cannibal Grill, Alfred Packer Saloon, where we had lunch. We got there right at 11 when they opened, and by 11:15 they were completely packed. They were already on a wait at 11:15 because there aren't a whole lot of restaurants around here.
Yeah, and they're all pretty small.
Yeah.
But the food has been delicious.
Super good. And then after we went to eat at the Alfred Packer Saloon, we did a little bit of gift shopping. And then after that, we went to the Hillsdale Museum.
Yeah.
So the cool thing about the Hillsdale Museum is the Alfred Packer Alfred Packer
History.
section. So if you don't know who Alfred Packer is, Alfred Packer was a con man that talked a bunch of people into being a wilderness guide in the mountains. He came back without anybody, and then after investigation found out that he ate them to stay alive. He ate the people. Very famous. That's why everything around here is kind of Alfred Packer, because they convicted him here and sentenced him to death here. But also you go to University of Colorado Boulder, their cafeteria is the Alfred Packer Grill. So it's kind of, even though absolutely terrible, there are people that kind of make jokes about it. Yeah. So that was day one. So day two, we wake up and we're like, we're gonna go paddleboarding. And we get to the lake and we get there and white caps on the lake, wind is just howling at the lake. So paddleboarding is a no-go. It is canceled for the day. So since we were already out there, we were like, hey, let's just go on a drive. So we started up Cinnamon Pass.
It's late afternoon and we've decided to go on a little river walk.
So overall, what do you give Lake City?
10 out of 10. It was amazing. The weather wasn't cooperating, not Lake City's fault, and definitely look forward to coming back here.
Yes, and we will be coming back.